Today I'm diving into a hot topic: bioinformatics training, live trainers versus AI models. Let's get right into it. First up, what's the main difference between training with a live trainer and an AI model? Live trainers offer personalized, real-time feedback. They can adapt the curriculum on the fly, provide hands-on experience, and give nuanced explanations. You also get networking opportunities, motivation, real-time problem-solving support, and guidance on ethical issues. On the other hand, AI models provide generic feedback, limited adaptability, and focus more on theoretical knowledge. They tend to give literal interpretations, creating an isolated learning environment with impersonal interactions and delayed assistance. Plus, their information might become outdated quickly. Now, how does a live trainer adapt to your individual learning needs? A live trainer can adjust their teaching style and curriculum in real time, catering to your pace and understanding. They provide immediate, tailored feedback, addressing specific challenges and adapting explanations as needed. This means you get a learning experience that's uniquely suited to you. What about practical experience? Live trainers excel here. They offer hands-on mentorship, crucial for applying theoretical knowledge. They facilitate real-time problem-solving and troubleshooting during practical exercises. This allows you to gain competence in practical applications, something AI models might struggle with. Live trainers also provide more nuanced explanations. They can explain complex concepts with context and address unforeseen questions. Drawing from their own experience, they give examples that go beyond the literal interpretations of AI models. AI can miss the subtleties and context needed for deep understanding. Networking plays a huge role in bioinformatics training with a live trainer. They often provide opportunities to connect with peers and experienced professionals. This helps you build connections, share knowledge, and gain insights into potential career paths, something AI just can't replicate. Motivation and emotional support are other areas where live trainers shine. They keep you engaged with encouragement and personalized interaction. This is often lacking in AI models, which can lead to disengagement. And what about ethical considerations? Live trainers guide you on ethical issues and responsible data handling, promoting best practices. AI models might not adequately address these concerns, often offering a neutral and potentially incomplete perspective. Finally, live trainers are better at providing up-to-date information in this rapidly evolving field. They can share the latest advancements and trends, while AI models rely on pre-existing data that can become outdated quickly. So, there you have it. While AI models have their place, live trainers offer a richer, more engaging learning experience in bioinformatics. If you're serious about bioinformatics, consider the benefits of learning from a live trainer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into the world of bioinformatics. See you next time.